car wash video of my 1996 Impala Super Sport, before and after. Dust on there. It's just been sitting in the garage. Last wash was probably 3-4 months ago. Spray the whole car down, get all this big dust stuff off, and we'll go to the wheels. Some McGuire's on there. This is for wheels and the tire. Wheel brush. Look at that dirt. Oh, best part, spraying it off. Okay, some good soap. Wash mitt. My favorite. McGuire's soap water in there. A little tiny bit, that's all it takes. All right, let's go all the way around the car. Next, I like to do sections of the car. So I just did roof, windshield, front fender, both sides, front bumper, and the hood. So we'll rinse that, switch to a new washcloth, and do the rest. Look at that paint. Next, the rear end. And then this side of the car. Do it in sections so it doesn't really dry. And don't leave water spots. Finally, the whole car is washed. It says rinse off this soap. And we'll dry it. Right, one of the last steps, probably the most important, is drying it. I've been using this absorber probably the last 10 years, and this thing really works good. Last part for the wheels, we're going to dry them off just with a towel, the rubber, then the wheel itself. Otherwise, it will have water spots and it just won't look good. Gotta dry the car off and the wheels. And then our hot foam, hot shine foam, McGuire's too, and this stuff works awesome. Right, this is after. She is clean. All right, thanks for watching.